Stepper motor or stepping motors. The stepper or stepping motors has a rotor movement in discrete steps. The angular rotation is determined by the number of pulses fed into the control circuit. Each input pulse initiates the drive circuit, which produces one step of angular movement. Hence, the device may be considered as a digital to analog converter. The drive circuit has inbuilt logic which cause appropriate windings to be energized and de-energized by solid state switches in the required sequential manner. There are three most popular type of rotor arrangements. Number 1, variable reluctance VR type. Number 2, permanent magnet PM type. Number 3, hybrid type. Hybrid type is a combination of variable reluctance and permanent magnet type stepper motor. Step angle. The angle by which the rotor of a stepper motor moves when one pulse is applied to the input stator is called step angle. This is expressed in degrees. The resolution of positioning of a stepper motor is decided by the step angle. Smaller the step angle, the higher is the resolution of positioning of the motor. The number of resolution of a motor is number of steps it makes in one revolution of the rotor. So resolution is equal to number of steps upon number of resolutions of the rotor. Higher the resolution, greater is the accuracy of positioning of objects by the motor. Stepper motors are realizable for very small step angles. Some precisions. Standard motor will have a step angle of 1.8 degree with 200 steps per revolution. The step angles 90 degree, 45 degree and 15 degree are not uncommon in simple motors. Many different designs of stepping motor have been developed. The number of phases can vary from 2 to 6. Small step angles are obtained by the use of slotted pole pieces of increase the number of effective saliencies together with multi-stack stator assemblies. Variable reluctance VR stepper motor. The principle of variable reluctance stepper motor is based on the property of flux lines to occupy low reluctance path. The stator and rotor therefore get aligned such that the magnetic reluctance is minimum. A variable VR stepper motor can be of single stack type or multi-stack type. Single stack variable reluctance motor. A variable reluctance stepper motor has salient pole or tooth stator. The stator has concentrated windings placed over the stator pole's teeth. The number of phases of the stator depends upon the connection of stator coils. Usually 3 or 4 phase windings are used. The rotor is a slotted structure made from ferromagnetic material and carries no winding. Both the stator and rotor are made up of high quality magnetic material having very high permeability so that the existing current requires is very small. When the stator phases are excited in a proper sequence from DC source with the help of semiconductor switches, a magnetic field is produced. The ferromagnetic rotor occupies the position which presents minimum reluctance to the stator field. That is, the rotor axis aligns itself to the stator field axis. Elementary operation of the variable reluctance motor can be explained through the diagram which is shown in here. It is a 4-phase 4x2 pole, 4 pole in the stator and 2 in rotor, single stack variable stepper motor. 4 phases A, B, C and D are connected to DC source with the help of semiconductor switches SA, SB, SC and SC respectively, which is shown in figure here. The phase windings of the stator are energized in the sequence A, B, C, D, A. When winding A is excited, the rotor aligns with the axis of A. The rotor is stable in this position and cannot move until phase A is de-energized. Next, phase B is excited and A is disconnected. The rotor moves through 90 degree in clockwise direction to align with the resultant air gap field which now lies along the axis of phase B. Further, phase C is excited and B is disconnected. The rotor moves through a further step of 90 degree in clockwise direction. In this position, the rotor aligns with the resultant air gap field which now lies along the axis of phase C. Thus, as n phases are excited in the sequence A, B, C, D, A, the rotor moves through a step of 90 degree at each transition in clockwise direction. The rotor completes one revolution through 4 steps. The direction of rotation can be reversed by reversing the sequence of switching the windings, that is A, D, C, B, A. It is seen that the direction of rotation depends only on the sequence of switching the phases and is independent of the direction of currents through the phases. The magnitude of step angle for any permanent magnet or variable reluctance stepper motor is given by alpha is equal to 360 degree upon ms nr, where alpha is the step angle, ms is the number of stator phases or stacks, nr is the number of rotor teeth or rotor poles. The step angle is also expressed as alpha is equal to ns minus nr upon ns into nr into 360 degree, where ns is the stator poles or stator teeth. The step angle can be reduced from 90 degree to 45 degree by exciting phases in sequence A, A plus B, B, B plus C, C, C plus D, D, D plus A, A. Here A plus B means that phase windings A and B are excited together and the resultant stator field will be midway between the poles carrying phase windings A and B. That is, the resultant field axis makes an angle of 45 degree with the axis of pole A in clockwise direction. Therefore, phase A is excited. The rotor aligns with the axis of phase A. When phase A and B are excited together, The rotor moves by 45 degree in the clockwise direction. Thus, it is seen that if the windings are excited in the sequence A, A plus B, B, B plus C, C, C plus D, D plus A, A. The rotor rotates in steps of 45 degree in clockwise direction. The rotor can be rotated in steps of 45 degree in the anti-clockwise direction by exciting the faces in the sequence A, A plus D, D, D plus C, C, C plus B, B plus A, A. This method of generally shifted excited from one phase to another, for example, from A to B with an intermediate steps of A plus B, is known as micro steppings. It is used to realize smaller steps. Lower values of step angle can be obtained by using a stepping motor with more number of poles on stator and teeth on rotor. Consider a 4-pole 8x6 single phase step variable reluctance motor is shown in here. The coils wound around diametrically opposite poles are connected in series and 4 circuit means phases are formed. These phases are energized from a source through electronic switching device. The rotor has 6 poles. For the sake of simplicity, only phase A winding is shown in figure A. The phase A coil A dash is excited. Rotor teeth numbered 1 and 4 are aligned along the axis of phase A winding. The rotor occupies the position shown in figure A. Next phase winding A is de-energized and phase winding B is excited. Rotor teeth numbered 3 and 6 get aligned along the axis of phase B and the rotor moves through a step angle of 15 degree in the clockwise direction. Further clockwise rotation of 15 degree is obtained by de-energizing phase winding B and exciting phase winding C. With the sequence A, B, C, D, A, 4 steps of rotation are completed and the rotor moves through 60 degree in the clockwise direction. For one complete revolution of rotor, 24 steps are required. For anti-clockwise rotation of rotor through each step of 15 degree, the phase windings are excited in the reverse sequence of A, D, C, B, A. Micro steppings can also be used in this case to reduce the step size. For clockwise rotation with a step size of 7.5 degree, the sequence A, A plus B, B, B plus C, C, C plus D, D plus A can be used. By choosing different combinations of number of rotor teeth and or stator exciting poles, any desired step angle can be obtained. The step angle multi-stack variable reluctance stepper motor. A multi-stack or M-stack variable reluctance stepper motor can be considered to be made up of M identical single-stack variable reluctance motors with their motors mounted on a single shaft. The stators and rotors have the same number of poles or teeth and therefore same pole tooth pitch. For a M-stack motor, the stator poles or teeth in all M stacks are aligned, but the rotor poles teeth are displaced by 1 upon m of the pole pitch angle from one another. All the stator pole windings in a given stack are excited simultaneously, and therefore the stator winding of each stack forms one phase. Thus the motor has the same number of phases as the number of stacks. This is the figure of the cross section of a 3-stack VR stepper motor variable to the shaft. The figure shows the cross section of the 3-stack or 3-phase, stack means phase, motor parallel to the shaft. In each stack, stators and rotors have 12 poles teeth for a 12-pole rotor. The rotor teeth is 30 and therefore the rotor poles teeth are displaced from each other by 1/3 of the pole pitch or 10 degree. The stator teeth in each stack are aligned. When the phase winding A is excited, rotor teeth of stack A are aligned with the stator teeth as shown in the figure. When phase A is de-energized and phase B is excited, rotor teeth of stack B are aligned with stator teeth. This new alignment is made by the rotor movement of 10 degree in the anti-clockwise direction. Thus, the motor moves one step equal to 1/2 pole pitch due to change of excitation from stack A to stack B. Next, phase B is de-energized and phase C is excited. The rotor moves by another step of 1/3 of pole pitch in the anti-clockwise direction. Another change of excitation from stack C to stack A will once more align the stator and rotor teeth in stack A. However, during this process, A to B, B to C and C to A, the rotor has moved one rotor tooth pitch. Let NR be the number of rotor teeth and M the number of stacks or faces. Then tooth pitch tau P is equal to 360 degree upon NR. Step angle is equal to 360 degree upon M into NR. In our case, tau P is equal to 360 degree upon 12 is equal to 30 degree and step angle is equal to 360 degree upon 3 into 12 is equal to 10 degree. Multi-stack variable reluctance stepper motors are widely used to obtain smaller step sizes, typically in the range of 2 to 15 degrees. The variable reluctance motors, both single and multi-stack types, have high torque to inertia ratio. The reduced inertia enable the VR motor to accelerate the load faster.